Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use CNBC for daily market news easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type cnbc.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, locate the navigation menu at the top. Look for the Markets section in the menu and click on it. This will take you to the Markets overview page. Here, you will find a summary of the major indices. Scroll down to see detailed information on sectors and stock performance. For the latest news, go back to the top of the page. Click on the News tab in the navigation menu. Here, you will find a compilation of the latest market news articles. To filter news specific to the markets, look for the sidebar on the right. Find the Markets section in the sidebar and click on it. This will display news articles relevant to the financial markets. If you want to explore video content, click on the Video tab at the top of the page. Browse through segments that cover market highlights. To get in-depth analysis, check the Fast Money section. This section features insights from financial experts and traders. If you prefer a mobile app, search for CNBC in your App Store. Download and install the app on your device. Open the app, and you'll find a similar layout as the website. Navigate through the tabs for easy access to news, live updates, and videos. Finally, set up notifications in the app for real-time market alerts. Now you're ready to stay updated with CNBC for daily market news. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.